What is up everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix voicemail notification won't go away in Narzo 70 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and here you can see the phone app. Now click on it and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the data and cache memory of phone app. After clear data and cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset and click on reset phone. Now here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it and here enter your password for reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.